Welcome to Kaliru. This is Vignesh. First of all, thanks for joining. Today we see the blower model on how to draw it. First of all, just a view about the PDF of the drawing view. Here we show the top view, front view and that section view. The overall designs and dimensions are relate to it. First the thickness 0.25, 0.5, height of 2.5 mm. Based on the dimensions, we create a three-dimensional blower model in Solidworks. Okay, let's move on. First, choose Solidworks. New part design. Now go to front plane and create sketch. Here I draw just a simple point of view. First, simply draw a 2D sketch. Next, dimension it using smart dimension, as well as choose a geometrical constraint also. Now the profile I have drawn. Next, give a dimension based on the center. First give 0.75 mm. Next give 1.5 mm. Next give a thickness of 0.5. Now the bottom vertical line is 2.5. Dimensions be given. Now move to geometrical constraint. Geometrical constraint means coincide, parallel, perpendicular. That means fix that point using an horizontal constraint option based on the origin point. Now give the dimensions on that particular vertical line. So just select an origin point. Now select that point and give the dimension of 5.5. Why 5.5 means outer dia is 11. So given based on the radius, it will be reduced as 5.5. Bottom profile as drawn. Now go to the top profile. Again, simply draw a rectangular profile first. Next give a dimensions. First fix that rectangular area. Give 0.25 mm. With the reference of bottom line, give 6.5 mm. Now the profile is fixed. Just to move on to geometrical constraint area. So select the two vertical point and give the vertical constraint here. Now again select the last endpoint. Give vertical. It's fixed based on the geometrical constraint itself. Now draw a center line, that construction line. It's for revolved boss options only. Exit sketch. Now go to revolved boss and select the construction line only. The outer solid body is created. Okay. Solid body is formed, but the theme is little bit dark. So make to glow up using a background appearance. Just select that background appearance area. Use this face to form a profile. To draw a profile, first convert that outer edge into a sketch. So go to convert entities option, select that outer edge and click OK. Now the outer edges profile converted into a sketch. Again I need one particular circular profile. So select offset entities and offset into 0.25 mm. Now go to reverse option. The profile is reversed the dimension. Now draw a horizontal line and one particular angular line also. So in this profile, I need these two different lines. Okay, again I draw a line. Next, go to smart dimension. Just to give the dimension of 2.4 mm based on the drawing itself. Okay. Now offset it to the horizontal line. Unselect the select chain option because the horizontal line and angular line are connected. If I select the select chain option, both are converted into offset entities. That's why I unselect it. Now draw a vertical line in between the area and give the dimension of 2.48. How it is 2.48, 2.4 mm? All that based on that this 2D drawing itself. The horizontal line is 2.48 mm and the vertical area is 2.4 mm. The thickness is 0.25 mm. Based on that drawing, we create a model. Okay. Now give us small dimensions of 2.48 mm horizontally. Next, trim using trim entities to remove the excess area. Select the unwanted areas and make a clear profile. To eliminate these entities, we have one unconstrained area here. So, we need to give a dimensions on that area. Just go to Smart Dimensions and make an angle of 30 degree in this area. Before we give a dimension, first trim that inner profile area. Now the sketch is closed. We can easily give the dimension also. Select a horizontal line and the angular line and give a angular dimension of 30 degree. Now the profile is fixed. That means it is constrained. So exit sketch, convert the sketch into a solid body. Now change the wireframe mode into shaded mode. Next, convert the sketch into a solid model by choosing extruded boss option. Select extruded boss. Instead of selecting profile, go to selected contours area to choose a profile correctly. Sketches are selected. Based on the dimension area, I just select up to surface option and select the particular faces. Select the particular faces using up to surface option to make the two different solid bodies into a single feature. Next, pattern it using a circular pattern option. Straightly select the solid body first. Go to pattern area, circular pattern. In features and faces, I select this extruded boss area and direction 1 as this circular edges. Based on the circular edges, the pattern created. Now the instance is 6 and the degree of angle area is 360 degree, equal spacing. Now the solid body is formed, but small cut is needed at the back of the surface. Select the surface, create sketch. Now draw a simple circular profile and make a dimension of 8 mm dia. Just cut it using extruded cut option. In the extruded cut, I simply select the up to surface area only, because based on the blind option we cannot know about the exact length. So up to surface and select the particular face, trim it. Now the total blower body is created simply just using a revolved boss and some kind of little bit operations only. Make sure to practice correctly and draw like that. Thank you.